My name is Matthew Merritt. I'm a professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology at the University of Florida. My research is in metabolic flux and in metabolic imaging using dynamic nuclear polarization. My first involvement with Cambridge Isotopes was in the 1990s when I was in Jake Schaefer's solid-state NMR group at Washington University in St. Louis. And Ron Trollard would often come by and just buy pizza for the entire group. And so we would just sit around, talk about science, talk about the compounds that we might need. And Ron was just there looking to build relationships with people that I think he saw as future customers. I choose Cambridge for a lot of different reasons. One of the things that I like most about Cambridge is that they typically have an offering for their products that's extremely high purity. And that's important for my research because now I do a lot of a technique called dynamic nuclear polarization, and that technique produces extremely large signals. The signals are enhanced by the physical process, and that means when you go to observe the reactions involved with the compound that you're using, any impurities stand out and can be misinterpreted as metabolites. And so high purity compounds are very important for getting unspoiled results. Cambridge Isotopes products assist me in my research because I need carbon-13 labeled substrates for the dynamic nuclear polarization experiments that I do. I need them labeled at specific positions, and I need them in high purity and high quality. And Cambridge can usually meet any of the preconditions that I have. The benefits of using stable isotopes in my research are just a multiplication of the signal. So natural abundance carbon-13 is 1%. Cambridge can provide 95 or 99% labeled substrates. So that multiplies my signal by that factor. The research that I do would be impossible unless I had these labeled compounds. If I could describe my relationship with CIL, it would be one of trust. I've had a long association with Cambridge. We've had issues sometimes with sample purity, and they were willing to take samples back, purify them again, and send them back to me at no charge. And when you see a company that's willing to do something like that, it makes you want to do business with them more often. If another researcher called me and said, "Why should I do business with CIL?" I would respond, they're good people. You can trust them, you can work with them. Through the years, they've always been responsive to my requests. They've always been straightforward. They've not been quick to criticize other companies. They're not trying to look better than somebody else, they're just trying to do their job.